Today's story is My Cat Maisie. Once upon a time, there was a little boy called Andrew who didn't have anyone to play with. The big boy next door had a dog called Lobo, but Andrew didn't have anyone. One morning, when Andrew was doing nothing in particular, he heard a scratch, scratch, scratch at the door. "I wonder what that could be," said Andrew. "I didn't hear anything," said his mother. "There's something at the door," said Andrew. "It's far too early for anyone to call," said his mother. "It might be someone special," said Andrew. "Come on, let's open the door and see." When Andrew opened the door, there was a stray cat, a very scruffy ginger cat. "She wants to come in," said Andrew. "I wonder if she'd like a drink," said Andrew's mother. Andrew gave her a saucer of milk and she lapped it up to the very last drop. "Will you stay and be my cat?" said Andrew. "I know lots of marvellous games we can play." And he gave her a great big hug. Do you think she's enjoying the hug? "Let's play the Wild Indians and you can be the horse," said Andrew. "Let's be helicopters and whiz around and around." Ooh, does he look happy? "Let's be fire engines and go woo, 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 woo." "Let's be acrobats and do amazing tricks." But the cat wouldn't stay. Andrew ran after her. "Please don't go," he called. The cat squeezed under the gate and was gone. Andrew followed. He climbed over the gate. And there was Lobo, by himself. "Have you seen my cat?" said Andrew. Lobo was so pleased to see him that he licked his face all over. "Stop it, Lobo." But Lobo took no notice at all. He licked and licked and licked some more. Does Andrew look very happy there? Lobo wanted to play. He knew lots of marvellous games, so he galloped all over Andrew. He was so excited that he was silly. He barked and barked and barked. He wanted to play by leaping, jumping and pushing. Ooh, that seems a bit rough. He wanted to play chasing and catching. Andrew didn't stay. He climbed back over the gate, ran up the path and inside the house as fast as he could. "The cat wouldn't stay," blurted Andrew, "and Lobo's too big and rough." His mother gave him a warm, understanding hug. Oh, that's nice. That night, Andrew was feeling sad and lonely when he heard a scratch, scratch, scratch at the window. Who could that be? "My cat," exclaimed Andrew. When he opened the window, she leapt onto the bed. "This time I've come to stay," she seemed to say. Andrew stroked her gently, very, very gently. I'll call you Maisie, murmured Andrew, and Maisie began to wash herself. And you can sleep on my bed whenever you want to, said Andrew. Maisie washed herself some more. Then snuggled up close and curled herself into a ball and purred and purred and purred.